Hi, I'm James from SE, and this is the new SE Rupert Neve RNR1 ribbon microphone. It's a true collaboration of our two companies and a very unique and interesting product. Before I tell you more about the microphone in detail, I'll tell you a little bit about the background of the companies. So we at SE went to see Mr. Rupert Neve about 4 years ago in order to get help on improving our R&D, our basic production methods, the quality control, everything basically to do with the production of the microphones to improve the quality and the consistency of the products that we were putting out to market. And so you'll have seen as a consumer a big leap in the quality and consistency of all of our products across the range in the last 4 years as a result of that. Now, inevitably during that time we started talking about maybe working on a product together, and it was at that point a couple of years ago that Rupert confided in us that he'd had ideas on how to dramatically improve the performance of microphone technology right across the whole spectrum. This is the first of the microphones that we collaborated on, the RNR1 ribbon mic. There will be a tube mic also and a solid state high voltage condenser, added to which we're doing a range of transformer balanced pencil microphones later on in the year as well. We expect to see all of these products at some stage during 2009, so there's a raft of new Rupert Neve SE products coming. The reason that we chose to work on the ribbon first is because it's a very interesting product for us, and it's something we could manufacture a real leap in technology very quickly. Ribbon microphones are interesting because as mics, in the frequency bands that they work from 20 Hertz to about 7 or 8K, they're some of the best sounding microphones on the planet because of their naturalness. They have a very open harmonic structure. So unlike condenser microphones, which sound very compressed and in your face, ribbon mics sound open and natural. And it's more like having a real player or an instrument or a musician in the room with you. The challenge that we had was to take ribbon mic technology and make it work right across the frequency spectrum. So rather than it working only between 20 Hertz and 7 or 8K, this microphone goes from 20 Hertz right up to 24K. It's completely unique and outperforms other ribbon mics on the market, technically by about 3 times on the high frequency stuff. The reason the high frequency stuff is so important, even in the ultra high frequency where theoretically the human ear can't hear, is because in a real environment you're listening to not just the direct sound in the room, but also the modulation of all of the high frequencies down into the mid-frequency range. So, for example, 20 kilohertz to 24K modulates 10 to 12, 5 to 6, 2.5 to 3, and so on. Now that's really important in reproducing the most natural and authentic sound. And this microphone picks all of that up and reproduces it. So it literally sounds like the person is in the room with you rather than it sounding like a recording. How did we do that? Well, it's a combination of our best capsule technology. We've refined the capsule technology over the last 4 years with Rupert's help to make the best capsules that we possibly can. It's a very elegant chassis design, which does also actually affect the quality of the audio because this fluting here on the side is designed specifically to optimize the magnetic field performance. Then you have Rupert Neve's magic in there as well. So Rupert's designed a custom-built circuit board for this microphone. He's also given us custom-built hand-wound input and output transformers. So this is a mic which has got incredible high-end frequency, a lot of transparency, massive amounts of headroom, and you can use a lot of gain structure and EQ on it if you want to as well, because there's a very low signal-to-noise ratio. So in essence, it's a ribbon mic that performs, even outperforms most condensers on the market, but it has all of the natural qualities and sounds that you'd expect from the best ribbon mics on the market too. So it really is one of the best mics that you can listen to. You should try one out, definitely.